Finding the right hiking backpack can be surprisingly difficult. Some are too bulky, some don't carry quite enough, and others leave your shoulders and hips aching halfway through a long day on the trail. To help make your decision easier, we've put together a list of 6 of the most reliable and well-rounded hiking backpacks for 2025. Each one offers a thoughtful mix of comfort, performance, and smart storage without weighing you down. Whether you're planning a weekend trip or a longer trek, there's something here for every kind of hiker. Product links are included in the description below. Number 6. Osprey Exos 58. If you're the kind of hiker who counts every ounce and aims to move fast and light, the Osprey Exos 58 is going to check a lot of your boxes. It's built with long-distance hikers and minimalists in mind, those who don't need extra frills but still want a solid, supportive pack for multi-day treks. This isn't the backpack you reach for when carrying 40 pounds of gear. It's for people who pack smart, move consistently, and want to avoid extra weight wherever possible. At just under 2.7 pounds, the Exos 58 is one of the lightest framed packs in its class. Its airspeed back panel uses a tensioned mesh design to create a breathable gap between your back and the pack, meaning less sweat, more airflow, and better overall comfort on hot trails. The frame holds its shape nicely without being overly stiff, and if you want to trim even more weight, you can remove the floating lid and use the built-in flap cover instead. Storage is practical and accessible. The main compartment is spacious enough for a tent, sleeping bag, and basic gear, while the front stretch mesh pocket is handy for quick grab items. Dual side water bottle pockets are deep and stay secure, and the hip belt pockets are a convenient touch for snacks or a phone. External loops let you strap on trekking poles or phone pad. It carries loads up to 30 pounds well, but if you're pushing beyond that, the minimal hip belt padding starts to show. For ultralight hikers, though, the balance of comfort, simplicity, and low weight makes this a strong contender. Number 5. Gregory Baltoro 75. If your trips involve carrying everything from cold weather gear to days worth of food and water, the Gregory Baltoro 75 is designed to handle the weight without making you suffer for it. This is a backpack built for extended backcountry travel, where comfort, support, and durability matter more than shedding a few extra ounces. It's not the lightest pack on this list, but it's easily one of the most supportive. The standout feature here is the custom-fit suspension system. Gregory's Response A3 frame is engineered to adapt to how your body moves on uneven terrain. The shoulder straps and hip belt pivot slightly with each step, making the load feel more stable and balanced. The auto-canting shoulder harness adds another layer of personalized fit, helping reduce pressure points over long days. With 75 liters of capacity, the Baltoro can swallow up bulky sleeping gear, bear canisters, or winter clothing without issue. The pack also includes a built-in rain cover, which stows away easily when not in use. A nice bonus is the Sidekick Day Pack. It doubles as a hydration sleeve and quickly converts into a lightweight summit bag for side hikes. There's side access to the main compartment, plenty of zippered pockets, and useful stretch pockets for smaller gear. On the trail, it carries 40 to 50 pounds like a champ. Load transfer to the hips is excellent, and the padding holds up on longer hauls. Ventilation is decent, though not as airy as mesh-back designs. If you're heading out for a week or more and need to bring everything but the kitchen sink, the Baltoro 75 is built for that kind of trip. Just know it's not a minimalist pack. It's for those who plan to bring everything they need and carry it comfortably. Number 4. REI Co-op Flash 55. For hikers who want something lightweight, versatile, and affordable, the REI Co-op Flash 55 is a solid pick. It's aimed at weekend backpackers or minimalist trekkers who don't need 70-plus liters of space but still want enough room for overnight trips or even a few days on the trail. What sets this pack apart is its modular design, giving you the option to trim it down based on how much you're carrying or how much weight you want to drop. Out of the box, the Flash 55 includes several removable features. The top lid, compression straps, and hip belt pockets can all be taken off to save ounces. If you're going on a short trip or carrying ultralight gear, those little tweaks can make a difference. On the flip side, if you're loading up for a full weekend, leave them on and enjoy the added organization. The 55-liter capacity is well-balanced for short trips. The roll-top closure keeps things simple and secure, while the front mesh stash pocket is perfect for a rain jacket or wet gear. The dual-stretch side pockets are deep and easy to access without taking the pack off. A nice touch for water bottles or snacks. Weighing about 2.7 pounds, the Flash 55 feels light and agile on the trail. It carries best with loads under 30 pounds. Padding on the shoulder straps and hip belt is minimal but adequate for that weight range. The back panel isn't the most breathable, but it's not uncomfortable either. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly pack for lightweight adventures. It may not be the most supportive option for heavier loads, But if you're careful with what you bring, the Flash 55 offers an efficient and flexible way to travel light. Number 3. Gregory Paragon 60. If you're looking for something that sits comfortably between ultralight minimalism and heavyweight durability, the Gregory Paragon 60 hits a practical sweet spot. It's a mid-weight pack designed for multi-day trips where comfort and adjustability matter, but you're still trying to keep overall pack weight reasonable. Ideal for hikers who want features and support without going overboard on bulk. One of the standout elements is Gregory's free-float suspension system. It allows the hip belt to pivot with your natural stride, which helps with load balance and reduces fatigue on longer hikes. The back panel is made from a breathable mesh that contours to your spine while still letting airflow, so it stays relatively cool even during warmer days. Both the torso length and hip belt size are adjustable, helping you dial in a custom fit. At 60 liters, the Paragon provides enough space for extended weekend hikes or even week-long trips if you pack efficiently. Organization is solid with a side zipper that gives you access to the main compartment without digging from the top. It also includes a sleeping bag compartment with a removable divider, a floating top lid, and handy mesh pockets for quick access gear. You'll also find an integrated rain cover tucked in a bottom pocket, which is a nice bonus that some packs still leave out. On the trail, it carries loads in the 30 to 40-pound range with confidence. It feels stable and supportive without the overbuilt stiffness of expedition-style packs. The overall layout is straightforward but thoughtfully executed. While it's not the lightest option out there, the Paragon 60 makes up for it with a comfortable fit, smart design, and solid performance that suits a wide range of hiking styles. Number 2. Hyperlite Mountain Gear Southwest Series. For hikers who measure every gram and chase simplicity, the Hyperlite Mountain Gear Southwest Series is about as stripped down and trail-ready as it gets. Designed with ultralight backpackers and long-distance thru-hikers in mind, this pack is all about durability, efficiency, and protection from the elements, without any unnecessary extras. If you want a lightweight workhorse that disappears on your back and handles wet weather with ease, this one is worth a serious look. The build centers around Dyneema composite fabric, which is ultralight, fully waterproof, and highly resistant to abrasion. It gives the pack a rugged, almost paper-like texture that holds up impressively well in rough conditions. The seams are fully taped and the roll-top closure keeps rain and snow out. There's no flashy design here, just a tough, understated pack built for putting in serious miles. It comes in 3 size options, 40, 55, and 70 liters, so you can choose based on your loadout and hiking style. All models feature solid external pockets rather than mesh, a thoughtful design choice that reduces snags on branches or rock. There are also simple daisy chains for lashing on extra gear like trekking poles or sleeping pads. The Southwest carries best with loads under 35 pounds. It doesn't have a traditional frame sheet, so packing smartly is important to maintain balance and structure. With the right setup, though, it rides close to the body and feels stable even on long, technical sections. That said, the sparse design won't be for everyone. There are no top lids, zippered compartments, or heavy padding. But for hikers who value lightweight, durability, and weather protection above all else, the Southwest series delivers exactly what's needed, and nothing more. Number 1. Osprey Atmos AG 65. Topping our list is the Osprey Atmos AG 65, and for good reason. It's one of the most consistently praised backpacks out there, especially when it comes to comfort. If you're heading out on multi-day treks and want a pack that can carry a decent load without digging into your shoulders or making your back overheat, this one stands out. It's built for traditional backpackers who value a supportive frame, practical organization, and long-haul comfort. What really sets the Atmos apart is its anti-gravity suspension system. This isn't just a marketing term, it genuinely changes how the pack feels on your back. A continuous mesh panel wraps from the upper back down into the hip belt, creating a tension fit that hugs your body while allowing maximum ventilation. The result is a surprisingly weightless feel, even when carrying 40-plus pounds. Add in the adjustable torso length, shoulder straps, and hip belt, and you've got a pack that can be dialed in to fit just right. Storage is well thought out. The 65-liter capacity works for both long weekend trips and week-long adventures. You get a floating top lid, a separate sleeping bag compartment with a removable divider, dual zipper hip belt pockets, and large stretch mesh side and front pockets. Newer versions also come with an integrated rain cover, something that used to be sold separately. It carries up to 45 pounds with confidence. While it's heavier than ultralight options, that extra weight translates into comfort and stability over long distances. If you're after a pack that blends support, thoughtful features, and a standout suspension system, the Atmos AG 65 is hard to beat. It's not the lightest, but for most backpackers, it might be the most comfortable option available. That wraps up our list of the top hiking backpacks for 2025. If you've used any of these packs or have a personal favorite that didn't make the list, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. It's always helpful to see what real hikers are carrying out on the trail. All the product links are included in the description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and we hope your next trip is a comfortable one.